Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix the Epic Games Launcher error code 2503 for Windows 10/11. And the first method you guys can try to do is just simply uninstall Epic Games Launcher and then reinstall it, and then you can check to see if that worked. If that does not work, the second method you guys can do is find Epic Games Launcher on your desktop. You're going to right click on it and you're going to hit properties. You're going to go to the compatibility tab. You're going to make sure the run this program as an administrator box is checked, and you're also going to make sure the compatibility mode box, run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8 is also checked. Now once both of those things are done, you can hit apply and then you can hit OK, and then you can right click on Epic Games Launcher, click run as administrator, and then click yes, and then check to see if that worked. So once the game opens, or once the launcher does open, the error code should be fixed. However, if it still does not fix, the third method you guys can do is just simply restart your PC and try to see if that helps. And you guys can always open up the Epic Games Launcher, log out of your account, and then sign back in. And these are all the things that I can tell you guys to fix the error code, and hopefully this helps. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.